guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add an event on Google Calendar. So press create and press event. It's going to be on the date that you have selected, but you can change it here. I don't know why I chose April 1st, but change the date here. You can change it here too, for instance the 5th of May. You can also change the time over here, for instance, or you want it to be all day, you can also do that. Does not repeat, or you can have it on repeat. Maybe it's someone's birthday, so you're just going to press annually on May 5th. You can even add guests. You can even add a Google Meet video conference, add location, add a description or attachments. For instance, I'm going to name it like work. Wait, maybe not. Maybe like meeting. And like I can add a description and even an attachment to it. And to add guests is I think it's going to remind the guests that there is like an event on that date. After that, you can also go to more options if you want to add more in, but I'm just going to press save. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!